So, let's say you've got $10,000 just sitting there. Maybe it's been sitting in a savings account, maybe it's money you've been waiting to invest, but now you're asking, where do I put this to actually build wealth? Well, most financial advisors are going to give you the usual advice. Be diversified. Spread your money across index funds. Stick with blue chip stocks. Be safe. And hey, that's not wrong. But if you're young, if you've got time on your side and a high risk tolerance, according to Cathie Wood, now might actually be the perfect time to take some bold swings, the kind that could multiply your money in a big way. Because here's the thing, right now, the market's a mess. Headlines are all doom and gloom. Inflation, interest rates, recession fears, layoffs, tech corrections. Investors are nervous. Most people are sitting on the sidelines or hiding in safe stocks. But Cathie? She sees opportunity. History tells us something really important. Massive wealth is often built during uncertain times, not during bull markets, but right in the middle of chaos. And right now, most investors are focused on the same few tech giants. The Magnificent Seven, you know the names Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Meta, Amazon, Tesla. They've done well, sure, but they're expensive, crowded, and the real upside might already be priced in. So what do you do instead? Cathie Wood's strategy is all about spotting disruptive innovation early, getting in before the crowd does. And that's what this video is all about. We're going to break down 3 overlooked stocks that could turn a $10,000 investment into something way bigger. These aren't your typical mainstream picks. They're under-the-radar, high-potential plays in AI, advertising, and cybersecurity. Stock number 1, Celestica. First up, a company called Celestica, ticker symbol CLS. Now, this probably isn't a name you've heard tossed around on CNBC. It's not flashy. But here's what it is, the backbone of the AI revolution. While everyone's focused on companies building AI software, Celestica is building the physical infrastructure, the high-performance computing systems, the advanced networking equipment, and the cloud solutions that make all that AI power actually work. And the numbers are telling. In the fourth quarter of 2024, their revenue jumped 19% year over year to $2.55 billion. Their cloud and connectivity segments grew 30%, and their AI data center business exploded with 65% growth. That's not just solid growth, that's rocket fuel, and it doesn't stop there. For 2025, they're forecasting $10.7 billion in revenue and a 22% boost in earnings per share, all while trading at a valuation that's 20% cheaper than industry peers. In other words, it's undervalued. The market hasn't fully caught on yet, but Celestica is positioned at the heart of the biggest tech transformation of the decade. With demand rising for faster networks and AI-ready infrastructure, this stock could be a serious sleeper hit. The second stock, Aploven, ticker symbol AP. If you've ever played a mobile game, chances are Aploven has powered some part of it. But recently the company has undergone a major transformation. They've moved away from gaming, and they're going all in on AI-powered advertising. Aploven's new mission? Help businesses target their ads more intelligently, more efficiently, and with way better results, using advanced AI tools. And guess what? It's working. In the fourth quarter of 2024, their revenue grew 44%. Adjusted earnings jumped 78%, profit margins hit 62%. Those are insane numbers in digital advertising. And they're not stopping. Aploven is reportedly selling off its gaming division for $900 million, giving them more capital and focus to double down on their high-margin ad platform. Even better, Wall Street hasn't caught up to this pivot yet. Analysts are still using outdated models. Meanwhile, the company keeps beating earnings estimates, quarter after quarter. The stock is trading at a PEG ratio under 1, which is a major green flag for growth investors. And major firms like Bank of America are setting price targets up to $580, more than double where it's trading today. This is a company riding 2 megatrends at once, AI and digital advertising. If it keeps growing at this pace, Aploven could be the next big thing in ad tech. And finally, let's talk about ALLOT, ticker symbol ALT. ALLOT is in the cybersecurity space, but with a twist. They're not building antivirus software or firewalls. They're offering cloud-based, zero-touch security that telecom providers can bake directly into their networks. That means users get automatic protection without needing to download or install a thing. And here's the headline. They just signed a massive deal with Verizon, expanding their reach from 1.5 million users to over 30 million. That's a 20 times jump in addressable market, overnight. They're also working with Vodafone, rolling out their security solutions globally. The business is growing fast, and they just turned profitable in the fourth quarter of 2024. They're projecting strong double-digit growth for 2025 and beyond, and analysts are calling for triple-digit stock price gains over time. But right now, the stock's down more than 40% from recent highs, mostly due to short-term selling and technical pressure. Translation: the fundamentals are strong but the price is cheap, and that's often where the best opportunities are hiding. So let's recap. Celestica is quietly powering the AI world from behind the scenes. Uplovin is turning into an AI-driven ad giant, and Allot is securing the internet for tens of millions of users, without anyone lifting a finger. These are the kinds of companies that Cathie Wood lives for: disruptive, overlooked, and full of long-term potential. So, if you're sitting on $10,000 and you're ready to do something bold, these three stocks might just be your shot to get in early on what could become the next wave of tech superstars. If this video gave you some ideas, helped you look at the market differently, or just got you excited about investing again, do me a quick favor, like the video. It tells YouTube this content is worth sharing. Drop a comment below. Which stock are you most interested in? Or do you have a hidden gem of your own? And if you want more videos like this, deep dives, market insights, and bold investing ideas, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.